Listening to the sounds of the ocean, looking at the blue sky and the white sand, you can spend all your life right next to this beach. This is where time stops. Few magic moments of life. This beautiful view, almost sunset. Beautiful. Nassau, Sea Beach Boulevard, beautiful sea beach. Those few magic moments of life when time stops because of this gift of nature, gift of Mother Nature. This is truly once in a lifetime, and you must need to come and visit the Caribbean island, Nassau, Bahama. I'm truly speechless. This is truly a spectacular view of our Mother Nature. So beautiful, so lovely. Do you hear the sound of the ocean, the waves? So soothing. Ah, so beautiful. Hear these sounds of the blue ocean. So beautiful, so serene, so calm. This is truly heaven on earth.